In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find downloaded files and videos from WhatsApp on your smartphone when you connect it on your computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect your smartphone onto your computer and then go to this PC. And here you can see my smartphone is reading. It is Redmi Note 10. Now, for your case, make sure you select the file transfer option for your computer to read your smartphone. Now, from here, go ahead and double click on your smartphone to open it. And then you'll see the types of storages that you have. For my case, I only have one internal storage. If you have an SD, it will also be displayed next to internal storage. Now, depending on the storage that you set as default, so for my case, it's only one, so I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. The next thing you need to do from here is to look for an option called Android, because for this demonstration, we are using an Android smartphone. Look for the folder written Android, and my Android folder is here. I'll double click on it to open. We have quite a number of folders. Go ahead and look for the folder written Media. Double click on it to open. Now, to find WhatsApp data or all the files that are on our smartphone, look for com.whatsapp folder, and here it is. Double click on it to open. Here we have WhatsApp files that are on your smartphone. Now go ahead and look for the folder written on WhatsApp, as you can see here. Now, if I double click on it, it will open now all the media that I have under my WhatsApp. And here you can see the shared, the stickers, the trash, and all those WhatsApp media that I have on my WhatsApp. To find the files or videos that are on your WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on media. You'll be able to find all the audio files that are on WhatsApp, stickers, videos, documents, and most importantly, we have WhatsApp images. And when you tap on these, you can see all the images that you downloaded from your WhatsApp. They will all be loaded onto your computer. Now you can go ahead and select any of them and then copy it on your computer. If you have so many of them or too many of them, you can sort by the date maybe they were modified by using this modified option or button here, option here. When you tap on it, it will rearrange all of them according to the date, and therefore you can either arrange them according to the latest or to the oldest. And as you can see, I have here the latest, which are 2025. If I tap on modify, you can see now the order has been changed, and we have the files that are even older appearing on top, depending on my preference. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.